Hello again. You are back. Where did you go? Did you sleep? Say, friend, do you dream when you sleep? Or do you dream when you are wide awake? I guess it doesn't really matter. You are right on time, and we are going further this time. I'm beginning to feel more confident now. The steady hum of the engine, it's like a melody to my ears. It guides me, dictating when to shift gears. Every subtle flaw on the road, I sense it beneath the tires, a whisper of the journey. I'm awakening to the sensations, a symphony of connection. As I am becoming more familiar with the machine, its mechanisms and controls ingraining into the depths of my subconsciousness, I notice that my mind begins to wander. I take in the surroundings, and I can't help but yearn for days gone by. Days when life was much simpler, when words meant as they were spoken, when things appeared as you saw them. There was an undeniable truth to life as there is to this motorcycle. I take in the drab expanse of sky, painted in hues of melancholy, mirroring the collective mood of the town. Sad faces pass by, each bearing the weight of their own burdens, their furrowed foreheads a testament to the battles fought within. Despair and worry linger in their eyes like heavy clouds refusing to dissipate. Amidst this sea of solitude, I can't help but wonder about the stories hidden behind each somber expression. What trials do they face? What dreams do they hold on to amidst the gloom? Yet, amidst the loneliness that permeates the streets, I find solace in the companionship of two steadfast entities, you and this motorcycle. In the rumble of the engine beneath me, I find a sense of purpose and freedom, a reminder that despite the world's trials, I am not alone. Together we navigate the winding roads of life, finding strength in each other's company amidst the solitude of this town. As I gradually leave the town behind, each mile traveled feels like shedding a layer of burden. The weight that once pressed down upon my shoulders now dissipates into the wind, replaced by a newfound lightness of being. In this moment of departure, I'm struck by the profound contrast between the mechanical marvel beneath me and the serene beauty of nature surrounding us. The rhythmic hum of the engine, though disruptive to nature's symphony at first glance, holds within it a subtle poetry. It's as if the dance of gears and pistons against the backdrop of rolling hills and sprawling fields creates a harmonious duet, where the mechanical and the natural intertwine in a delicate embrace. The steady purr of the engine becomes a melodic counterpart to the rustle of leaves and the chirping of birds, each note blending seamlessly into the other. And as I ride into the forest, I begin to dream again, and I'm reminded of this poem. You are not wrong, who deem that my days have been a dream. Yet if hope has flown away in a night or in a day, in a vision or in none, is it therefore the less gone? All that we see or seem is but a dream within a dream. But perhaps it was just a dream, a fleeting moment of imagination. Yet, that won't stop us from chasing it. As we bid farewell to our journey today, I want to say goodbye, friend, with gratitude for the memories we've shared.